I've gotten them on Facebook a small gift. It's right here. Karibuni sana. Thank you very much for honoring the invite. So today is not an announcement to make, but before I make the announcement, let her baby. Yes, let her baby. So this announcement, we need to make it together because today is not a day for me, it's a day for her. She doesn't know what's happening. Okay. Yeah, so what happened was this. Peter, feel Swasalimie.
Hi.
Hi
guys.
Hi
guys. Hello.
Yeah. So this thing I've been planning it for a while. We were to announce this thing last week at the homecoming, never happened. Then when I asked Tomosh yesterday, I find out akwapi. Tomosh ananiambia ashapata ndege ameenda Kisumu. I don't know what she had gone to do in Kisumu.
Nilikuwa nataka kutafuta mother-in-law tuko video call.
Yeah. Yes. So I'm like, Tomosh, what do you mean? And it has to happen today because imekuwa sana delayed.
Yeah.
So I had to book another flight for today morning. Akaanza nani mkibook ya kurudi, nikamwambia wewe kuja, ukishafika tutapanga ya kurudi. Sasa sijui kama alifika penye alikuwa anaenda, but tukapanga karudi leo asubuhi. So alifika Kisumu hivi na akachange na amerudi. So yuko hapa. So kwaje?
Kwa good.
So wacha wakuone.
Jamani.
Wacha kuone bwana, wacha one luku. Wewe. Haijafika huko. Haijafika huko. Yes. Yeah. Mnamjua huyu? Yeah. Anaitwa demo wa Facebook. She's very
Nimechukua flight nikarudi. Ndege naye singekata. Hata ningefika hivi ni buku nyingine ningerudi.
Yeah.
Alafu ni nani amekuita? Nikataa.
So she's a darling, she's very talented, she's very passionate about what she's doing, and we are growing together. She's a very good friend of the Obina TV family, and we're trying to build together. So I always like to find ways to make other people be better and do better, and that is why we have this announcement that we're about to make.
Yes.
Mtu hawezi tupiga ngeta hapa. Mbona umesimama ni kama mtu anaweza tupiga ngeta hapa? Tuko safe. Inafaa. Ulifikiri anatoa ring? Oh wow.
Hebu propose.
Oh okay. But siwezi propose kama uko hapa hivi. Haya, iwake.
Mimi nikafikiri. Ni do inakuja hivi. Sure. Unajua Obina na surprise. Kwa ni surprise na maso moja. Tunaweza guess.
Imepotea. Hapana ku guess. Mtaharibu.
Tunaweza pata right.
Mnaweza guess alafu mpate right alafu mharibu sasa. Nezi nani amebeba nini? Amujabeba? Alrighty. So courtesy of Obina TV, we have decided. Tukumbaka na manini wazungu. Hello. Hi. Welcome.
Huyu ni Wakayole.
Wow. Yeah. Songa mbele kidogo. Songa mbele.
Songe mbele.
Okay. There you go. Mnatuona vizuri?
Mnatuona vizuri?
So I've gotten them on Facebook a small gift. It's right here.
Life is beautiful.
Unamzuia kuna gari hapo mbele.
Songeni
kata yote, kata yote.
Kata yote. Kuja tu tugonge. Haya, kata tu hivyo. Nice. Kata.
Oh.
Announcement was he has bought her this car. She gets the car. Yeah, he has bought her the car. That was the announcement.
Are you sure here?
Jina lako limeandikwa hapo.
My God!
Mzee ndio kifunguo. The big one at the back.
Sasa kuna nyota bwana.
Ya kifungu yake ndio hii.
Songeni nyuma basi. Haya tusonge nyuma.
Don't touch me.
Yeah. So sasa utakuwa sasa una request. Sasa si nilikwambia nikampeleka driving school. That was the plan.
Atakuwa na request.
Sasa utakuwa na request. Ukifika kwa show unazima hapo. Hapa unaenda offline.
Ndio niliuliza kwa barabara gari napenda nikikuonesha.
Yep. There you go. Congratulations.
Oh my God. Napa plate was story.
Pige kimunju. Haya, come and get in. Come and fill it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No.
Told me, what if we talk to a few showrooms, so they give us the car, then we leverage on that. I approached about 99% of showrooms in Nairobi, Kiambu Road, Ngong Road, around Kileri, Upper Hill, Nini. I went personally with my manager. Then it was so sad to see that most people who are doing business, they don't have that vision for what I was trying to achieve and also what is here. This is like a very international billboard that most of you could have capitalized on, but you didn't see it. There's a lady who really put me down. The showroom is on Kiambu Road, and she really spoke shit to me and my manager. My manager akabwa Debbie. Nikatoka naambia, "Oh Debbie, inakuanga hivyo. Sometimes unaenda tulisomewa." Yeah, but you know, I don't see that girl. I'm looking at this lady, and then you just sit there, you take your L when they're talking all this shit, and I'm listening. And then I remember telling that lady, I told her, whether you give us the car or you don't give us, watch me the next 1 week. I'm going to get her a car, with or without you. Then the lady told me, even us, PSCC, to watch, PSCC. I'm like, we were not fighting. It was not even an issue really. I was just telling you, I'm still going to give her the car. And a couple of showrooms that I spoke with as well, were also of the same vibe. They didn't see the vision or they didn't see the value in her. Okay, they were telling me, Obina, kama ni wewe ungekuwa unachukua gari nini? Nikamwambia hapana, tutadiscuss. Mimi yangu inakamba naye, but for now this. And I told them, I want to gift her this car in Kitale, and the whole world is gonna be looking. And if this car could have been branded any other showroom, it could have been good for them. And I even told them, I'm gonna talk to her. Tukipatia gari for the next 6 months, she's going to do brand endorsement for you guys. Imagine all her fan base if they knew. Imagine wale mademoto wako Gulf, wale wasiwoto wako Western, wale wako Nairobi, Eldoret, wapi, everywhere around Kenya. The way they listen and they love her and they support her and they support girl child, they could have just leveraged on that, and then all those people wangejua showroom inaitwa Obina TV imempatia hii gari. Imagine the sales they could have made. But because of narrow-mindedness, now you all have missed this opportunity to try and use this to capitalize. Most corporates, this is a message for you. Let's stop being like that. Things are happening very differently right now. Just because you used to pay for the newspaper does not mean newspaper is still making sense now. But I'm not saying it's not making sense. But let's not be stagnant. Let's not be stagnant. Change is inevitable. Things are changing. The media houses that are here are over 25 and above. Everybody's here and they have their own people. Leverage on that. And this is for every other brand that is working. Right now I'm looking for a brand so he can give Steve Osimboboy a phone. I spoke with Sam K, he said he's gonna do it, so let's wait and see. So we give Steve Osimboboy a phone for him to do content. They get someone else that they support, Pretty Vichy, whoever. We are too many. Just look for these people, work together with them. It's gonna go a long run, first of all, by doing good for the society and humanity. Second, for also building your brand. So let's not be like those showrooms that I spoke with, and they missed on a golden opportunity to do their sales and everything. All right?
One goes to the in a hurry.
Yeah. We need to go somewhere, we need to go meet a client. Kuna hizo, then we have a driver anaitwa Ochibela, the pilot. So Ochi ndo sana kwa kazi yake. Tuchukue dem Facebook, anaenda kumchukua, anachukua Andrew, anakuja, tunaenda hivi. So I thought about it, and then now she's a star. Mama amekaa request me, kumbe ni wewe. Wacha tuende offline. Yeah, so also she needs her privacy, and now where her brand is going, ndameanza. Huyu gari yake yenye anataka sana ni Harrier. The new model. Niliulizia bei nikasema nikajikuna hivi. Yeah. So she really wanted that one, but we couldn't get that one now. So tumeanza. So she'll pick it up from here na ataendelea. I got this car from Mombasa after hours, wengine wakanifail wote, nikasema hata pia mimi sasa siwapei pesa yangu. So nikapiga simu, Mwangi akafanya mambo yake. Nikachukua gari Mombasa. Pia watu wa Mombasa wako slow. By the way, Mombasa showrooms, tafadhali. Bana, saa 6 mtajaamka bana. Bana tafika kwenye showroom tatuma hiyo. Basi natuma 1 hour. I'm like, just take a picture, send. Then I couldn't go there because we were in Kitale, we were doing a couple of things. Then I came back, we were doing the Vanessa Shuttle story with the governor. So amekuwa slow, then eventually